We would like to welcome you to DjangoCon Europe 2020, here from Porto. Well, mostly from Porto. My name is David, together with most of our team in Portugal, and with me, Miguel, in Finland. Most of you do not know us yet. We have been in charge of this year's conference. Miguel has actually done most of the work. I've just applied to organize the conference, and I'm here to take credits or blames. It has been a challenging year to organize this conference, or any conference at all. We hoped and dreamed for a while. We postponed the conference. There was a glimpse of hope in our mind, telling us there was still a chance of keeping the traditional format. We all know now there was not. So we have decided to go with this new format. It's not all bad. It was the opportunity to have the very first virtual-only DjangoCon Europe. Let us make the very best DjangoCon Europe possible this year. We have excellent talks from the best speakers you are all used to see. Next, Miguel will give you the all-important details about this conference.
Hi all, welcome to DjangoCon Porto, which this year will be on virtual Porto. So if you need any help during the conference, you can ask at the support channel in Slack. Please, I'd like to ask you to follow the code of conduct during the entire length of the conference. If you have any concern regarding a code of conduct violation, you can ask Anna, Joaquin, Noah, or Telmo at Slack, or you can even email them at conduct@djangocon.eu. If you are interested in buying a t-shirt, you can get one on the side panel, and the talks will be around 25 minutes of the duration, and afterwards we have 15 minutes of live Q&A with the speakers. Next, we have Ricardo Valente, who is going to welcome you to the city of Porto. He is the councillor from Porto City Hall.
Hello everybody, I know that you will be together this September online, but I'm here to welcome you next year here in the city of Porto to the conference, to the real conference, let's say, to enjoy the conference here in the city and come to this beautiful old heritage city and have a fantastic time here. See you next year in Porto.
Strategically located at the crossroads between Europe, Africa and the Americas, with excellent connectivity by air, land and sea, Porto is an ideal gateway to access these vast markets, including over 500 million consumers in Europe and 250 million in the community of Portuguese-speaking countries. Traditional yet modern, hard worker yet fun-loving, Porto offers a cosmopolitan blend of rich heritage and contemporary feel, providing outstanding conditions to live, work and invest. We do not apologize for having an extraordinary quality of life, certainly not only due to our 220 sunny days a year. Porto is a welcoming, inclusive and extremely safe city with an increasing foreign population. Family-friendly with excellent resources for expatriates, including high-quality international schools. With a vibrant and dynamic cultural life manifested in its concert halls, theatres, museums and in the most unexpected locations. All this led to Porto being considered European Best Destination 2014. Connected to the world with state-of-the-art infrastructure. Porto's Sacaneo Airport, modern and effective, is an award winner by Airport Councils International, consistently in the top 3 in Europe in its category. Connected via 66 routes to the main hubs in Europe, plus a variety of direct connections to Africa and the Americas. Porto's harbour, Leixões, is the main maritime gateway for Portuguese industrial exports, highly efficient, cost competitive and technologically advanced. A connected city, an excellent road infrastructure, fast and efficient internet bandwidth connections, hotspots all over the city and the best fibre optic network by European standards, the largest network of buses with Wi-Fi in the world. But the best asset of Porto is people, talent, highly qualified and technologically skilled human resources, a young, creative, flexible and multilingual workforce, trained in excellent universities. The University of Porto is consistently ranked internationally as the first university in the country, the largest science producer in Portugal. Innovation is a hallmark of Porto, with prestigious R&D and technological institutions in a variety of knowledge areas, advanced engineering and production technologies, life sciences, energy and environmental technologies, mobility industries, automotive and aeronautic, information and communication technologies, new materials, marine technologies, agro-industry, R&D, creative industries, services and many others. A considerable array of international R&D partnerships, including formal programs with the MIT, University of Texas at Austin, Carnegie Mellon University, Harvard Medical School, among other top global institutions. The first subsidiary of the Fraunhofer Institute outside Germany. Excellence, rigor, hard-to-beat value for money. All this and much more awaits you in Porto. Don't think twice. Invest. Porto.
A special note to all our sponsors, both the original ones who stayed with us and the new ones. You all made this possible. We would like to thank all the participants that had already bought the tickets for the original event and believed enough to stay with us for next year. You have no idea the amount of work you saved us. To the speakers who have submitted their talks for an event and ended up with an altogether different one, thank you for your availability. Last but not least, to all participants in this event, hoping to see you next year in Porto. Have a great conference.